What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ofon, and this is my YouTube channel, POV Garage. In this channel, we're gonna talk about exotic cars, and I get to show you guys a point of view on these exotics. I got my boy Cam behind the camera. We have a lot in stock for you guys. We're gonna start off with my personal car, the 2018 Cayman. I made a couple of mods to it. This car goes 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, 300 horsepower. Came in with alloy wheels. I powder coated it to a black, straight piped, down pipes on it as well. Makes it sound beastie. Yeah, so the car came stock with US side markers. I switched that up and got the clear markers, the Euro markers. And also the interior, got the black and red mixed interior in the Cayman. I'm gonna be bringing a ton of cars, a ton of exotic cars to the channel. So make sure you like, share, subscribe. All right guys, let's take a spin. He's looking for us. Go left? Yeah. Start up the channel with my whip, and hopefully we can bring some fly cars to the channel moving forward. So y'all make sure you subscribe, share, like the videos, comment down below, and we'll take it from there. Gets in gear 4 around 60 to 64 miles per hour, you hear all the pop-ups. Yeah. That's where all the popcorn. Yeah. Rio. See, Cayman makes you think you can really drive. It's the car. Today. I haven't done all this. Yeah, I haven't done all this shit with my car before. Oh God. God, that looks fire.
Oh, it's a Caesar.
Jesus, that thing is fire. That thing is nice. My God, that thing is fire.
Bro, what are you doing?
Cayman kept up. Man, that's a race car right there.
Definitely don't blow my head.
Yeah. Look, he knew too. Man, but look at this thing. That thing is Man, I want to get the angle with him behind. That's dope. It's not performance fast, but jeez, it's quick. Straight or left. I'm actually enjoying this. For real. This is awesome. I want people to get the first person point of view. Oh, look at that. I think I can smell the tire burn.
Oh man.
That was good though. That's why you buy these cars, man, is to enjoy it, have fun. So, you know, if you're not driving the shit out of it and having fun, what's the point? What's that restaurant over there?
North Italian.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it on this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, you have fun. There's more fun stuff to come, more exotic cars to come. Please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and see you on the next video.